Today we'll show you how to install your Britax convertible car seat rear-facing using the lower anchor connectors. You can use these instructions for Marathon ClickTight, Boulevard ClickTight, and Advocate ClickTight seats with anti-rebound bars. Place the car seat in your vehicle in the rear-facing position. Remove the lower connectors from the storage compartment and pull the straps to full length toward the child's left side. Now, you'll need to adjust the recline angle. Pull recline handle and rotate the seat shell until the recline indicator ball is in the correct position for the rear-facing position. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. To open the seat, press the dimple on the ClickTight dial. Rotate the dial clockwise and lift up to open. Slide the lower connector straps through the rear-facing belt paths. And firmly press them onto their adjacent lower anchors. Verify that the connectors are secure and the strap is not twisted. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to remove slack. Close the seat and listen for a click to confirm it's secure. The seat should not move more than an inch from side to side on the belt path.